In this video we are going to design this cup coaster. It is very simple to design. You need nothing, just 15 minutes of your time, and it's very cheap to build. So let's start. Search for Easy EDA. This is the website what we are going to use. Click here. Register and log in, it's free, and use this Pro edition. Go to File, we are going to create new project. I'm going to call it Cup Coaster. Save. We can close this. Go to PCB, just double click. Now properties. We are going to work with millimeters, but you can also use mils, and change the grid to something bigger. Go to place, board outline, circle. Click in the middle and write 50 millimeters. Okay, so center 0, 0 and radius is 50 millimeters. If you go to 3D view, this is our cup coaster. Right now it's completely empty. Don't forget to save your project. Now, I'm going to use Mid-Journey to generate the picture for my cup coaster. You can use any picture you like. So I'm going to create a new picture based on this prompt. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I'm going to try something a little bit different, like this. And let's try one more time. Okay, I like something like this. I'm going to try little bit different modification of this picture, and I like this one. So I'm going to generate better, higher resolution pictures. Upscale. Okay, let's have a look. So this is the creative, but I like this one more. So download. This is the picture what we generated, and we also need this. You can download it from my GitHub. Just search for FEDEVEL GitHub. Click here. Repositories. Find the cup coaster repository. This is the file what we need. It looks empty, but it's not empty. Just download it. And now you can use a picture editor which you normally use. Place this downloaded file inside, and also the file what we generated. Okay, so this is just like stencil, and this is the picture what we generated. And I'm going to apply the stencil on the top of the picture, so it looks nice. I'm just going to change the size of the picture so it fits perfectly into this stencil. Okay, perfect. Now I can export this as JPEG. I'm going to call it YouTube video. Save. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back to our PCB, and this is very important. Settings, System General, and here in PCB footprint you need to find this checkbox, okay, with color seal screen technology. It has to be checked. Apply, confirm. Now go to place, image. I'll select the image what we prepared. It's too big, maximum 2 megabytes. So I'm going to change the quality of the picture. I'm going to replace the old one and change the quality to 93%. You can also change maybe the resolution or size, but quality is always good, and I would like to keep high resolution. Now it's 1.9 meg. So let's go back and let's try again. Place image, select, open. Okay, this is important. Okay, here, check this. And we would like to apply this to our cap coaster, which is 100 millimeters in diameter. Be sure both are 100. And just place it. Left click, escape. Double check if it's applied to whole cap coaster. Looks good. Now you can go to 3D view, and here select color full seal screen, and this is how our cap coaster is going to look. Now we are going to adjust this white edge. I'm going to change it to gold, and we will add something on the other side of the cap coaster. So save. Now be sure grid size is big one, so I'm using 10 millimeters. Disable all the layers, only enable the top one. Click here to make it active. So we are going to draw on top layer, and we are going to put their circle, place it into middle, and write 50 millimeters diameter. Confirm. Use mouse wheel zoom in, zoom out. Select the circle and change the line width to 2 millimeters. Here is the line, but it's covered with the blue color. So what we are going to do, we have to remove the blue color. It is on this solder mask layer. So I'm going to copy this circle, and I'm going to paste it on the top solder mask layer. So this will specify where we would like to remove the blue color. Okay, place it on the top of the top layer, and now you can see edge is going to be gold. If we apply this colorful image, this is how it's going to look. We are going to do same on the bottom. So again, paste the circle, select it, put it on bottom layer, make it wider 4 millimeters, enable bottom layer so we can see it, and we can disable these two. We don't need them anymore, and move it back on this center, and copy, paste. We also need same circle to remove the blue color. On bottom solder mask layer, enable it, and place it here. Okay, double check in 3D view. Perfect. So we have this frame, gold frame. We are going to place logo inside. So this is different way how to place pictures. I will show you how to do it. Save first. We are going to place there this picture. This is our logo. It is just a black and white picture, or black and no color picture. Be sure you are going to put it on bottom layer. Place image. Select the logo. This is the logo. Now I'm going to change the size 60 and click here. So the size is adjusted automatically. And place it. So now we place the picture or the logo on the bottom layer. We can double check in this 3D view. See, it's still masked. There is the blue color. Actually, we are going to use this white color in the final cap coaster. So this is how it would look with the white color. What we need to do is we need to remove the mask. So I'm going to copy the logo again. Move it on the bottom solder mask layer and place it on the top of the logo, which is on the bottom layer. Double check. Now it should look good. Okay. Okay, so this is how our cap coaster is going to look. White mask color and gold logo and frame around a nice picture which we generated in Midjourney. Save. Go to JLC PCB website. Be sure you are registered and logged in here. Okay. Now, here click on Order PCB. Color seal screen, okay. Confirm. Automatically it will generate the manufacturing files and upload them to JLC PCB website. So this is our PCB. We need to make few adjustments in these settings. So we have 2 layers. We are going to order 5 pieces. We would like to use white mask color and gold, and it means gold. And here be sure you remove the mark, and in advanced options find this seal screen technology, and we would like to use easy the multicolor seal screen. When you scroll up, so this is how our PCB is going to look, and it's going to cost $13 for 5 pieces. Save it to cart, go to the cart, select it, don't forget to select it, and we can order it. Click on continue. If you are in Europe, you can use Euro packet for cheap delivery, but I'm going to use DHL. It is faster. Continue. Submit order. If you have any coupons, discount coupons, you can use them here. And I'm going to pay. Here you can view your order status. 6 days later, I received this package, and inside are our cup coasters, and they look really cool. This multicolor seal screen, it's beautiful. I really hope you like this and you build your own cup coaster. That's everything for this video. Don't forget, you can use any picture, you can use your photos, or you can draw your own pictures. You don't need to use Midjourney. And also you can use, or you can place different picture on top side and different on the bottom side. So then you will have like 2 different cup coasters. If you would like to learn how to design PCB properly, like for electronics, if you would like to learn how to draw the circuits and do PCB layout, not only for decoration, then we have online courses. We have courses in Altium, in OrCAD, in KiCad. We have courses for beginners, for professionals. So just go to our website, it's called fedevel.com, and have a look. Maybe you will find some interesting courses for you. Thank you very much for watching. Leave comments. I'm very curious if you design your own cup coaster, if you like this tutorial, if if it's something what inspired you to start with electronics and PCB design, or designing some kind of decoration project. Leave comments. I will be very happy to read them all. So yeah, that's really everything for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.